Sautéing onions, a simple culinary skill. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore a common phrase used in cooking, sauté the onions. This phrase isn't just about cooking. It's a great example of how English is used in real-life contexts. So, let's dive in and discover what it means to sauté onions. Sauté is a cooking term derived from French, which means to cook food quickly in a small amount of oil or fat, typically in a pan over direct heat. When we say, sauté the onions, we're instructing someone to cook onions in this particular style. It's a basic cooking technique used worldwide and a phrase commonly found in many recipes. Onions are a staple ingredient in many cuisines. They add flavor, texture, and aroma to dishes. When onions are sautéed, they become softer, their flavor becomes milder, and they often turn a light golden color. This process releases the natural sugars in the onions, adding a subtle sweetness to the dish. 1. Preparation. Start by peeling the onions and slicing them thinly. 2. Heat the pan. Place a pan on the stove and turn the heat to medium. Add a small amount of oil or butter. 3. Cooking the onions. Add the onions to the pan. Stir them frequently to prevent burning. The onions are done when they're soft and slightly browned, which usually takes about 5 to 10 minutes. Overheating. If the heat is too high, the onions will burn. Keep the heat at a medium level. Not stirring enough. Regular stirring ensures the onions cook evenly. Patience is key. Sautéing onions is a slow process. Rushing it won't bring out the full flavor. That's all about sautéing onions. It's a simple yet essential cooking technique. And now you know how to use and understand this phrase in English. Remember, cooking terms like these are a great way to enhance your English vocabulary, especially if you're interested in culinary arts. Hope this video helps you in your English learning journey. Happy cooking and happy learning!